Today, we're comparing the latest flagships from Apple and Samsung. But first, let's dive into the iPhone 16 series. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max boast super slim bezels, outshining Samsung's Galaxy S24 series. But Samsung's not giving up yet. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature 0.2mm thinner bezels than the S24 Ultra, making it sleeker than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. How does the S25 Ultra stack up against the iPhone 16 Pro Max? We'll dive into the details. The Insider has shared a fresh render of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's looking sleek. Notice the rounder corners, a departure from its predecessor. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch display, matching the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But with thinner bezels, it'll feel more compact. Thinner bezels mean a more comfortable grip. Ice Universe reveals the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera rings measure just 2.4mm in thickness, outdoing the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4.3mm camera bump. With the ongoing Galaxy S versus iPhone rivalry, we expect the S25 Ultra's rear camera to match the iPhone 16 Pro Max's performance. But will it surpass it? What camera features can we expect from the S25 Ultra? From advanced zoom to improved low-light photography, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's thinner camera rings are a game-changer. Samsung's hardware design and packaging are surpassing Apple's. Leaked images reveal the S25 Ultra's impressive 8.2mm profile, outdoing the S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Those sleek camera rings enable a more streamlined design. Is this the future of smartphones? Ice Universe shares his hands-on experience. The S25 Ultra feels slightly bulkier and more squared off than the S25 Plus. Ice Universe suggests the S25 Plus might not stand out much. But why? Ice Universe reveals a more precise CAD render, filling in missing details. What does this mean for the S25 Ultra's design? Samsung's focus on design makes the S25 Ultra a notable upgrade. How does it compare to its competitors? The S25 Ultra's compact and appealing design sets it apart. But what do you think? Share your thoughts on Ice Universe's insights. Will the S25 Ultra outshine its competitors?